Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, this is what remains of the Savlamar fort, and this fort was used back in the day to protect Savlamar because it was a major port for the sugar trade and unfortunately the slave trade. So this is where it was. Alright, so now we're going to drive on Great George Street, which is the longest street in Jamaica. So this is Great George Street that we're going on now. And basically this road or this street will take you right through the town of Savlamar. So we're in downtown Savlamar now. And that's where the port used to be. So we're driving right through Savlamar now. Now Savlamar is the capital of Westmoreland and it's the largest town in Westmoreland. Basically this is where you're going to find all the major amenities of a town or a city. Now the only town larger than Westmoreland in the western part of Jamaica is Montego Bay. And Westmoreland is the most westerly parish in Jamaica. Savlamar has a population of about 25,000 people. That's just an estimate to give you an idea. While the parish of Westmoreland has a population of about 150,000 people. But West Savlamar is where you would find every government agency like the NHT, the tax office, NIS. This is where you find the courts. This is where you find probably the head office for the Westmoreland police stations, the post offices, the library, and all the banks, financial institutions. This is where you're going to find the KFC, the Burger King, the Juicy Patties, all those facilities basically. And Great George Street is the longest street or road, the longest street in Jamaica, all of Jamaica. So as you can see, this is downtown Savlamar. It's very busy and it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So basically everywhere is locking up now. But this is how it is. The traffic is on this road right throughout the day. Okay, coming up on the right is the the courthouse, and the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation is also in that building. So this is the Westmoreland Parish Court, And then over here now on the right is the police station, Savlamar police station. On the left is the Savlamar post office. Alright, straight ahead at the end, straight ahead is the KFC where you see that grey building. Straight ahead. On the right, we're going to pass Burger King and Popeyes. On the left is the NHT Westmoreland branch. Okay, straight ahead, that's the KFC. And we are on Great George Street, which is the longest street in Jamaica. We're still on it, it turns. On the left now is the Texaco, and the right is the Rubis. And alright, we're now going on to Beckford Street. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.